Alright, there's my Perception Pescador Pilot. Had the Boonedox Landing Gear installed by Dave and Tim over at Boonedox in Thomasville, North Carolina. Did a great installation on it. They got a video coming, but I just wanted to do a quick video, kind of show everybody what it looks like. They did want me to mention to everybody that when you put the wheels in, if you make sure you don't go all the way in. Actually, mine are a little too far in, but you can actually slide it to where that nipple is right there, and slide it right till it's flush with the end of the landing gear, and then the tires are a little further out away from your boat. Especially on the heavier boats, they said it would be an issue. But there we are, we're getting ready to hit the water, and we'll take some more videos, add them all together, and post this thing tonight.